Hi Don, this is Andrew here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for your interest in our pre-owned vehicles. You're looking for a Camry. We of course have this one right here. I've got another one going through our inspection detail department ready later this afternoon. We have, of course, we have the Camry, we have the Corolla, Sonata. I've got a really nice Acura, great selection of vehicles, but I really want to see your trade-in. 2014 Sorento is a fantastic vehicle, great resale on that. We can definitely use it here. The best thing to do is just bring in and you down here, see me at 1591 Montgomery Highway, Hoover. We're across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. You can always call us at the office at 205-380-6250 or come on my cell phone. Text me if you want. It's 205-660-1102. So with that, and Don here at Tameron Hyundai, you're on the way to trade, and I'll see you soon.